everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be back with my good friend Amara. You know her, David Weekly Homes, and we are in Reflections at Seabrook. That's Nocatee's 50th and final community, and we are so excited to see this quick move in. It's ready now, Amara.
You're right, Heather, ready now. Thank you so much for coming out today. Now, before we take a peek inside this stunning home, I just have to talk about this outdoor area. This is our miracle plan, and it truly does bring so much curb appeal. You have this wonderful, fantastic front porch area that you can make all your own.
I love that it's covered, so in the summertime, if it's cooler or they have those little rain showers we get, you can still sit outside, which is great, greeting your guests as they come to visit. And this miracle floor plan, correct me if I'm wrong, David Weekly Homes has not built it in Nocatee before.
This is new. It's part of our new Seabrook collection for our 50-foot home sites. So this is the first time seeing this plan. It's just shy of 2,700 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a loft area we'll see a little bit later. Now what you're looking at right now is the front bedroom and bathroom combo. This area could also be an office and half bath, depending on how you'd like to build it.
I love though that you have this guest area ready to go, or it could be an office space. And I'm glad Carling passed that space over there because we have a lot of secrets in this miracle floor plan. Now look at this kitchen, open floor plan. The kitchen colors are great, lots of natural light coming in, reflecting off of this beautiful white quartz countertop, but then look at the veins coming through and the rounded corners. So I'm noticing a lot of upgrades in this ready now home.
This is a true designer kitchen, and we spared no expense. So you're gonna see custom features here, lots of different drawer options, drawer stacks, upgraded cafe appliances.
Yeah, look at this, I just wanted to show. Like, look at the colors, the size of the drawers. We've got deep drawers over here. But I love the gray on one side and then the white on the other, but then with the vein coming down.
Yep, and I don't want us to miss the fabulous walk-in pantry. This is a true walk-in pantry, plenty big enough.
Okay, thank you, David Weekly Homes. Love the walk-in pantry, and they of course just put in a handful of wire racks. There's so much more you can do in there, or take the wire racks out. You could put wood in there, whatever you decide. And again, look at the cafe collection, lots of upgrades. I love the black faucet.
Yes, very stylish.
Beautiful, yes.
I'd also like to point out, you saw earlier, there's a window in this kitchen. How often do you get a window in your kitchen?
So again, that natural light coming in, and then this open floor plan will show you have a great eating area here. Again, lots of windows, but then wait till you go outside. In Carling, we have to go outside because this home site is absolutely incredible in Reflections at Seabrook.
It's impressive, to say the least.
Look at this. You are on a pond lot, but when you see the size of the backyard, which you can either enter through the slider here, which does collapse. Here, Carling, go ahead out. Or there was a door that we passed. But guys, look at this wraparound outdoor area. But guys, look at this. Look how big your lot is. It's this big. I mean, I could chuck a football.
Oh,
if you have a dog, you can run it, or a pool out here. I mean, there's so much space. It's incredible.
This backyard is
But look at your view, guys. Absolutely. This home site in Reflections at Seabrook, I'm going to say it 10 times. Reflections, Reflections. This David Weekly home. The miracle floor plan. Well, guys, this is a miracle lot. Absolutely beautiful. But look at the space. I mean, so much you could put it. Those beautiful outdoor couches out here.
Yes, you could do an outdoor kitchen setup. It's fantastic for entertaining or spending time with family. You've got wall space, which is also a hot commodity on a lanai.
And privacy already on one side, and you can put either those beautiful viburnum hedges. I mean, so much you can do to make natural privacy on the other side. Guys, this is absolutely spectacular. And again, move in now. You got to call Amara today.
That's right. This one is ready to move into.
Under the stairs, under the stairs.
We can't forget our David Weekly signature under the stairs storage area. We never miss an opportunity to make our homes functional for our homeowners.
And it goes around, guys. Lots of space. Or a kids' play area.
That's right. And then off the back corner of the home, you have a nice private little nook entryway into the owner's retreat.
I love that this is separate from the rest of the home, or even that first floor, whether somebody's living in it, visiting, or using it as a workspace. It is literally the opposite corner of this home.
Yep, you've got lots of natural light, the 3 big windows at the back, but what's really fantastic is this owner's bath area. Our designers did a fantastic job with this one, and just the sheer amount of space.
It's huge. And you can really, where Carling is showing, the camera never gives it the justice it deserves, but you could actually put in a circle, like an ottoman right here, I've seen that in beautiful bathrooms where you can sit, put your shoes on, but that's the kind of space you're gonna see in this full bath.
And again, we've got windows for natural lighting. It's not often that you see that in a bathroom area. And then what you're seeing now is that David Weekley signature super shower.
And the door that Carling just passed, you don't have to go in, Carling, but just so you know, that's a big linen closet. And now we are in a great closet, your personal closet, the mine and mine closet, as I like to say. But guess what, guys? Remember I told you a lot of like great little nooks and crannies around this miracle floor plan? We got a miracle. We're walking right into the laundry room. So you can shut that door, which is straight ahead, you can shut it. And then if you're doing laundry, but maybe you have kids they're entertaining, or you're entertaining guests, they don't have to see you doing laundry, nor do you have to walk into that space. Love when the laundry room is off of the owner's primary bedroom. And then here we're doing the drop zone.
Yep, we have our backpack rack right off the garage space and across from the laundry room, which makes this area almost double as a mud room.
I love it. You're absolutely correct. And then we're flipping around, and now you see back where we ended up. And I want to remind people at Reflections at Seabrook, guess what, guys? You will actually have a multi-purpose path connecting to the Greenway Trail to take you very quickly to the Splash and Spray water parks, where things such as the Farmers Market, Food Truck Fridays, Nocatee Uncorked, Nocatee Untapped, or even we just had camp out for the kids. But you will be able to golf cart, bicycle, or walk very quickly to the amenity complex and of course the Nocatee Town Center. But in Reflections at Seabrook, you will have your own HOA park, and it's beautiful. You have a great playground with sunshades. So much is already happening in this community and connecting to it. Okay, I have to pause because we're walking up here. This is a giant space.
This loft is quite large. It's perfect for setting up furniture. You can have a second living room up here, play space, really make it all your own.
I love this. So many ways you can use this space depending on the life stage you're in. And again, that natural light coming in. But wait, there's more. We've got more bedrooms.
Yes, we've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath right off this loft area here. And something special about these 2 bedrooms is that they both have walk-in closets.
Okay, David Weekley Homes, once again, thanks for adding that extra elevated touch. So again, we've got walk-in closets, and a lot of people, I've been seeing this in some homes, people have taken the doors off the closet and utilized it as almost like an extra space. You see how they connect it to the bedroom.
I like that idea.
Yeah, I just saw that recently in a home that we toured, and I was like, oh, that's actually kind of smart. But so many uses. This miracle floor plan really now is one of my favorite David Weekley floor plans. I want to remind you, you can go to Nocatee.com, in the search engine type in quick move in, and then you will see this David Weekley miracle floor plan for sale. But call Amara today because this is going to sell quickly, guys.
And Carling, I don't want you to miss this area. This is the linen closet of what dreams are made of.
I mean, that's a big storage area. So, miracle floor plan, Reflections at Seabrook, Nocatee's 50th and final community. And guess what, guys? Way less than 700 homes left, and then Nocatee's sold out. So this is one of your really last chances to
final
get in
opportunities.
Here. So I'm so excited to once again be with my good friend Amara,
Yes,
David Weekley Homes. Thanks for watching Walkthrough Wednesday.
Everyone.
Bye, guys.